Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I'm super blue today. Like super blue, huh? Like my lips are blue. Oh my gosh. They're not blue enough in the center. Not light blue enough. I mixed Yadig and Clapback by Fenty. I did this one other time. I don't know if anyone saw the pictures, and I loved how they turned out. I thought I'd try it again. I like it. So anyway, the real reason we're here. So yes, I went super blue to go with my blue purpose, I guess, which is this. Does anyone know what this is? Does anyone know? This is Artic Fox hair dye. Kristen Leon, the beauty blogger, beauty influencer, she's very big on, I guess she's a sponsor, or Artic Fox sponsors her, I should say. I don't know. I don't know. But I know that she promotes Artic Fox a lot. She uses it on her hair. She's like covered in tattoos, has the neck tattoo. I just love her so much. But she always uses Artic Fox. And then it had me thinking, because I was looking at her hair and I'm like, wait, does she have like a shadow root, or like why is she able to dye her dark hair? And then I realized she wasn't, you know, I mean her hair is probably bleached on the bottom, but for some reason, one instance I thought it seemed like her hair was totally dark, and I'm like, is that dyeing over dark hair? So then I started researching and on YouTube, and I saw a couple videos of people testing out semi-permanents, or especially Artic Fox with dark hair, and seeing what it did to their hair. So I actually am thinking about, here's a poll. What should I do? Should I keep my hair dark? I want to get extensions. Should I keep my hair dark and get dark extensions and just stay dark for a while? Or should I say, on the extensions right now, and wait until I get my hair to like blondish silver, and then once I do that, get extensions to go with it like silver, and then when I don't have them in, I could change the color, like I could do a shadow root and then silver, and I could change the color all the time, like blue, purple, you know, like with this, and it would actually work. So stay dark or do that. Drop your opinions below, because Lord knows I'm so indecisive and I don't know what to do. But I do know I want to put a little bit more highlight in my inner corners. I'm such a weirdo. Like, this actually was supposed to be a very simple look. I actually came down here thinking I was not even going to put makeup on. Isn't that crazy? Like, I'm a nut. No makeup and just film the hair. And then this somehow happened on my face. So anyway, I was like, okay, should I do the Artic Fox? Should I try it on my dark hair, or should I just wait until I get light hair? And then I was like, you know what? No. Because what if other people are thinking the same thing? Like, even if we know it's not going to show up like vibrant blue, and I got blue, dark blue, because I thought if any color would show up, this is what I have a chance of showing up, possibly. And I mean, okay, it's not going to be vibrant, but let's at least see, like, does it tint my hair at all? Like, what happens, you know? I don't know. I just thought that other people would probably, someone somewhere out there has to be dumb like me and not know what happens with hair. Like, common sense stuff. Because here's a secret. I know nothing about hair. Like, I'm clueless. Like, anything I do know about hair, I learned in the past year. Well, makeup too. So, I guess, I don't know. Anyway, I'm interested to see, so I actually just got my hair cut the other day. I was bummed about it because I feel like it's so short, but I had to. Like, it was so bad. Because you have to think, I bleached my hair for like 10 years. So that's like pretty much all underneath this still, and it was bad. But my hair has been growing out so quick. Like, I wish you were here to see what I'm talking about. It's like, I feel like I just dyed this, and it's all the way like out to there. It's crazy to me. But that's something I started thinking of then. So my roots are growing in. So when I'm putting this all over my head. Like, I'm not doing just little, I'm doing all over. So my roots are gonna be blue. But I don't care. That's the thing. Like, people would probably be like, you're a nut. Like, but I don't care. Like, I almost want them to be blue so we can see what it looks like. Like, I don't care. I just don't care. So, I'm gonna throw it all over my head and we are gonna see what I look like. A total just lunatic. I can't wait. So, I got Poseidon. That's what it's called. It was the darkest blue. There was one other blue, I think, that was lighter than this. So, my permanent hair color, Arctic Fox. I've heard really good things, and actually when I was buying this, I bought it at Sally's and the girl was saying how she's only heard good things about it also. I went to Cosmopro first to see if I could get it. They did not have it, and they were so rude in there. They kept making comments like, you know, he's not allowed to touch anything. Can you please watch him? Like, about Sean. And I'll be the first to admit when Sean is like acting up. No, he was as good as gold. He did not make a peep, and they kept doing it. It was like driving me nuts. I was like, how rude. Like, whew. Anyway, so this has no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, no PPD, vibrant colors with added conditioner, vegan, not tested on animals. Oh. Best results and most vibrant color achieved on pre-lightened hair. I did see it said that. Directions: shampoo without conditioner and dry hair. Use protective cream around hairline on ears to prevent staining. Remove the bottle cap and inner seal. Wear protective gloves. Empty the desired amount into a bowl. Continue to use protective gloves to apply color evenly. Leave color on hair for 30 minutes or longer. Rinse hair in cold water away from face. Color will fade with each shampoo. Alright guys, so... Okay, so I need to put this on my hair, and I don't have gloves. So I'm just not going to use gloves, whatever. So let's take a look at this. Yet I might end up going upstairs and doing it, coming to check in, and then, you know, because I film over a white rug and I just feel like maybe that's what should happen. Like, look at this. Oh, this is gonna be, I am gonna be a blue mess, and I'm going right up to the root so I can see, because I want to dye my roots blue. Oh, it's not gonna show up. But I'm thinking maybe it'll like tint my hair, you know? Like, maybe it'll like tint it or something cool. It's gonna do my roots for sure. Oh, it smells like blueberries. Ooh. I'm gonna run upstairs and put this on my hair and do it like super quick so I can wash it off my hands. So yeah, I probably do actually have gloves somewhere, but like, I'm just gonna do it this way. I'll be right back. Okay, here I am. Clearly that went well. Keeping it off my hands. I actually scrubbed forever too and got that much off. But see, I'm the kind of person where like looking at this, I'm like, okay, my hands are blue. Like, well, whatever. I don't care. My hands are blue. Who cares? I don't stress over stuff like that. So yeah, I look like insane. This is really embarrassing actually, how blue I am. Like, whatever. Okay, whatever. As you can see, I got it on my scalp because I wanted to get it as close as possible. I didn't put any Vaseline or anything because whatever. Got blue ears. Meh, whatever. So yeah, I put a lot on the bottle. You get a lot in that bottle, man. I didn't even use it all. Maybe because I knew like what was gonna happen. I'm opening cookies. We have a pantry right there, and like, dude, I just wanted like something, man, and there was nothing upstairs, and like these cookies from Aldi's, it is where it's at. I just like could not resist. Look at these. You want to see? It's just like this big thing, and then it's like this cookie with this chocolate inside, and it's just like, I'm gonna go try and eat these while I wait to wash this off my head. Is what's gonna happen here, and I will be back. It's half an hour. I spin your head. It's been in my head like 15 minutes now, a little less. So I'll wash it off at a half an hour, and I will be back to show you the results and complain about how fat I am from eating. Cause like, dude, okay, no, I'm not fat, but I have gained so much weight the past month. Like, you have no idea. Like, I look like a totally different person. It's crazy. Like, I have gained, oh my god, I just look, I don't know. All right, time to go. Okay guys, here I am. Obviously my hair is still wet. Oh my god, I got blue everywhere. I saw a girl say that it didn't affect her shower. She was totally lying because it did. Nothing. So I'm really confused by the fact that my roots are like pretty light. And I'm telling you, I don't see that it grabbed at all. Like, not even the slightest bit. It literally looks like to me that it grabbed on my black more than on the light hair. Like, what? Shampoo without conditioner and dry hair. Okay, use protective cream around hairline. Leave color on hair for 30 minutes or longer. I did that. For best results, I left it on for a little over 30. For best results, cover hair with plastic cap. Process with heat. Blow dry up to 15 minutes. I didn't do that. But you know what? It is so little that I'm telling you I don't think that something like that would make a difference. I mean, maybe on blonde hair, on my hair. I just like slobbered on myself. I don't think so. I'm really disappointed because I thought that I was like, oh my god, it's gonna color my roots blue. Okay, but like, do you almost feel like now that you're looking at this compared to before that my hair looks more like that it's not as grown in? It almost looks like the blue caught, like, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow dry, and we're gonna talk about it. And obviously I won't have washed it again, so it'll just be the first. But you know what? I am not even lying. I feel like I can see the blue in the, like, it looks a different tone to me. It truly does. We'll see when it's dry, okay? Look at my face. I'm a wreck. Oh my god, I'm looking a hot mess, and I just laid down and fell asleep. Oh, I took Sean to the science center today, and it was such a long day, but it was so fun. And I laid down and I just fell asleep. I just like popped up, and I was like, oh, I gotta film the end of the video. So last night I dyed my hair, and I showed you guys it wet, and now this is dry. So as you can see, actually my friend that I went with today, he was like, did you dye your hair? And I was like, why? Can you see my roots? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I guess I have blue on my roots still, but I don't know if it's because it's blending into the black, but I truly do not see the blue at all. I do think, though, that my actual hair, now this is too hard to tell on film. Wow, I look terrible. See, I'm just so, like, no fucks given. Like, it just does not matter to me that I'm talking to you guys like this. I do think that my actual hair, more so in brighter light, I noticed earlier, I could see, you know, when you have like that super deep black, almost like a blue black, you know what I'm talking about? I felt like my hair looked like that more so than it usually does, or more so than it did like right before I dyed it. But I don't know. The overall consensus is my hair is too dark to dye it with Arctic Fox. I guess that's the overall consensus. So actually, I think you guys let me know what you think I should do with my hair. If I should leave it like this or if I should go lighter and play with the fun colors. I really think that's what I should do. You guys never saw me blonde, and I was blonde my whole life. That's so crazy to me. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let me know what you think. And if so, then yeah, we'll get started on it after I get back from Maine, and I'll lighten my hair. Then I'll get some extensions run it silver, and we'll have fun, crazy hair. Just like my soul. Crazy. So yeah, yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So you know the drill. Don't forget to head to my Instagram to check out my giveaway. I ordered the Kat Von D, the 10th anniversary palette. Looks amazing. As soon as it gets here, I will show you guys, show you how beautiful it is in person. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Yeah, and that's it. If there's anything you'd like to see video wise this week, maybe let me know down below. I'm trying to think of some ideas of stuff I want to do for this. I have some ideas, but throw some stuff out there and I'll see if I can make it work, you know. All right. Love you guys. Bye.